for those of you who are not familiar with Post-Process Technologies as a company, we are completely focused on developing automated and intelligent solutions for that post-printing step in additive manufacturing. So specifically, support removal and surface finishing of 3D printed parts. It's all that we do here. It's what we eat, sleep, and breathe, and all of our solutions are designed from the ground up specifically for additive parts. And when I say our solutions, they're really made up of 3 different things, and that's the software, the hardware, and the chemistry. Again, all of those 3 things designed specifically for additive and designed to work together. So we actually have in-house chemists who are looking at the build materials, the support materials, developing a chemistry specifically for that to be run in our hardware, making sure all the seals and all the agitation we have is good for that chemistry, and then it's being tied back to our software, which makes it automated, intelligent, easy to use.